Hi, I've attached an Excel sheet that looks like this for a template of building your autoresponders. And this video is just to help explain what you need to consider or put in place as you're building this. Now, I've put in some example items over here. This is by no means something you have to follow. This is just to help your mind understand what it's going to end up looking like. But we just have to come down and kind of draft out what the sequence should be. So we're going to pretend on day one, we want to send a text, and the message would need to be something personable. You'll notice over here there are some available variables that you could plug in. So for pretend, we'll put in here, hey, and we'll use one of these variables, say first name. So what that means is when the text goes out, it'll say, hi, Carson, we noticed that you were selling the house. Is it still available, right? Um, are you still interested in selling? And then we'd put address. Please contact us at, and you'd put your phone number in there. Then you just continue on. So then you'd say, okay, 2 days after that one, so that was happened on the first day. We're going to give them a break for 2 days, meaning day three, I want to send another text. And here's what I want it to say. Okay, then on day five, I want to send an email. Now, remember this note, emails need a subject and a body. So you could come over here if you wanted and put subject, say, still selling. You could even do that right in this piece, as long as I know exactly what you're going for here. Subject, still selling, and then body, hi, name, dot, 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 draft it out. So you can put whatever you want to draft this out and make an example of the sequence you want to build. And once you give me that, I can take that and put that into the sequence to go up. Now, some people only want like 3 touches. They don't want something very complicated and it's done within 5 to 7 days. Other people want many that go on for 60. I have some that go on for 360 days. You can choose how long it goes. You can choose how many days between messages. That's totally up to you. In fact, if we just use the message ID as which day is it, day one, day three, we can even kind of ignore this one because I know if you sent this on day one, then there needs to be 2 days before day three goes out. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one for right here. And really, all you need is, okay, which day, what type of thing are we sending out? The most common are texts, emails, tasks, meaning it's not actually an auto piece, but the system flags whoever the lead manager is and says, hey, this lead has been on a responder for a while. Try picking up the phone and calling them. So tasks, and then slide broadcast. If you set up a slide broadcast account, we can set it so that it just rings their phone and drops a voicemail into their mailbox. And these are the common types we'd see. If it is for a slide broadcast, you guys will need to do the recordings of it, but you can still use this spot to record your call script so that when you jump in there, you can read the recording that you want to say. For those ones, we can't insert dynamic variables because it is a recorded thing. And so we just have to be more generic. Hey, this is Carson. Just wanted to reach out and see if you're still selling your house. We've been trying to get in touch, but haven't gotten you yet. Something like that. So take that into consideration, draft out the messages that you are interested in, and then we can take those, load them in as whatever type of sequence you want. Let me know if you have any questions.